Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can repair memory card or any storage drive. Let's get started. As you can see on my computer screen, I have one of my drive that has been corrupt. So what you need to do is, go ahead and right-click on this PC and then click on Manage. So now you're going to click Disk Management. You can see that there are many drives on this location. You have to know which one is your drive that has been corrupt. So you're just going to right-click on the drive that you selected, go to Format. So it says formatting this volume will erase all data on it. Back up any data you want to keep before formatting. Do you want to continue? So what we're going to do next is go back again, and right-click on it. And then go to Change Drive Letter and Path, and then here you're just going to change. Choose any letter for your choice. You can see that my drive it has repaid successful. So that is all for this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, is System Operator. Thank you for watching.